Hey guys, today I'm going on a little bit of an adventure to buy a gas kiln.
So up until now, I've always fired my work in an electric kiln, but I recently made some larger pieces at a workshop down at the Leach Pottery in Cornwall. Their house clay is groggy and looks best in a reduction firing. All the Leach's standard ware is gas-fired. With this clay and these bigger forms in mind, I felt like I wanted the drama of a flame to bring them to life. Even though I have never fired a gas kiln in my life, when I saw this gas kiln on Facebook Marketplace for a steal, I thought it was meant to be.
Got my coffee, got some packing materials here to support the inside of the kiln because it's quite old. A drill. We are taking our camper van because hopefully the kiln will fit back there.
We brought reinforcements in the form of my neighbour Luke and my nephew Ollie. By gas kiln standards, this laser kiln is not very big, but it is heavy. I mean, like, really heavy. So we needed extra pairs of hands to get it into our van.
And welcome home, kiln. Right, let's get you out. So for those that don't know, we have a very tiny house and it's going to be tight as to whether we can get this kiln through all the doors out to our back garden where it's going to live. And it's raining and it's grim. Wish us luck.
So the kiln is exactly 70 centimetres, but our old terraced mining cottage has a lot of twists and turns to navigate. Yeah. But then we came across a couple of problems. So we ended up having to remove our back door.
The bit that I'm most concerned about, Flora is also concerned, is these steps. Because the person on the bottom is going to be unlucky with the weight. I'm going to shut these windows just to get them out of the way. There we go.
Our first attempt at getting the kiln through the house did not go according to plan, so we came back the next day with reinforcements.
After a lot of shimmying around, we've decided that it's best to go through our neighbour's garden, who have so kindly allowed us to do that. So we've driven the van up into their garden, which we can do because they have a driveway up to their garage, and we're going to take it across their garden. I'm not going to film that because obviously I don't want to invade their privacy, but I will film it when it's coming over the fence and being put into situ. Okay, wish us luck. They have also very, very kindly lent us this amazing trolley, which they use to transport horse hay on. And Flora is giving her opinion. So, what do you think, Flora? Is it going to go okay? Can we move the kiln? There it is. There's the trolley. Fingers crossed.
This thing's going to need a fair bit of pulling. Okay. Watch out, mate. Right. My head is really good actually.
We're also holding it back here.
Right, and then take it. It's alright, it's alright. I've got my fingers under the thing. But now that you want to take your batten out, Carol.
Yeah. Our batten's gone.
Careful, Cal. It's alright. We're in back a lot of space between. I think, yeah, it doesn't.
Yay!
Yeah, I suppose. Oh. Yeah. That is bloody marvellous.
That went much more smoothly than I thought it was.
Now I just need to work out how to use it.
I'll be showing you how I set up the gas kiln in my next video, so hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Bye!